Alright viewers, this is me, MediaJF99, and here I'm touching this nice phone case, my iPhone 5. It feels all soft and leathery, but hang on a minute, am I actually touching this or something? Well, according to the latest science models, no, I'm not actually touching it, even though you just saw me touch the phone case. Now, there's a very simple reason why that is the case, and it's basically because, like, this fist here represents an atom. This finger going round the atom represents the electron. Now, of course, it doesn't go this speed, it goes at the speed of light, and just whizzes past the electron. And yes, the electron has an electric charge. But let's show you what it could do. So here's the two atoms. Then just imagine there's two electrons going around each atom. When you put the two together, the electrons from that one and that one repel. Right? And watch. There is a physical gap between the two electrons and atoms. So that is why they think you can't touch anything in real life. I sort of believe in that theory because it can explain questions as well. Questions like, can we touch anything? What is reality and stuff? Well, yeah, the answer to that doesn't exist. Because, yes, you can touch things, technically, but on an atomic scale, no. That's about it. And, yes, it seems a bit complicated, the repelling thing, if you're not used to this. So, I'm going to give you two models of how to explain this non-touching appearance. Right, the first one would be like a magnet. So you get two magnets, right, like that, these examples. They're not actually magnets. Yeah. And you put the north and south poles together. When you do that, they touch each other. Alright? Yeah. But when you get the north on the north, or south on the south, they repel and they go off like that, or like that. Really. They don't want to be touched. It is technically possible to touch the north and south and south, but you have to be really careful. And the second example I'm going to bring to you is quite unlikely, but it does happen. Right. So you're some kind of guy, right? Yeah, he walks into a nightclub and he sees two fit, attractive girls, right? Yep. The first one he sees, he goes with them, and they like that, same as the magnet. But on close inspection, the second one, she is some ugly girl. So they repel. Same way with the atomic particle idea. They repel each other, and that means they do not touch. Now, the end of the video is nearly here, but before we end the video, I'm just going to say this really cool idea. Right, because they don't touch, they float above each other, right? Yep. They're levitating. Which means that walking around, running, doing that, it doesn't exist. In fact, you're flying. But the differences are so small that you can't see that. You have to use a electron microscope to be able to see that. But it's possible you can fly. Yes, so yeah, thanks for watching and subscribe and goodbye. And the next time you go for a long walk, better say this: you're actually flying.